Creating charts is easy, but what if your data needs calculation? What if you want total sales, profit, or growth percentage? That's where DAX comes in. In this video, I will show you how to use DAX formulas in Power BI step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own calculations like a data analyst. Hello everyone, welcome back to TrendIgnite, where you learn data analytics, Power BI, and real career skills step by step. In the previous video, we created interactive dashboards. Now let's take it to the next level using DAX. You will learn what is DAX, what are measures and calculated columns, how to create basic formulas, sum, count, average functions, how to use DAX in visuals. What is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. It is a formula language used in Power BI to perform calculations. In simple word, DAX equals to calculation engine of Power BI. It helps you analyze data and create meaningful insights. Measures versus calculated columns. There are two important concepts in DAX. First one is calculated column. It works like rows by rows and stored in the table. What are measures? Measures are used for calculations and calculated dynamically. Simple line, measures are used more in dashboards. Let's create our first DAX formula. Go to Modeling tab, click New Measure. Now type total sales equals to sum in bracket sales in bracket amount. Press enter. You just have created your first DAX measure. Use measure in visual. Now drag this measure into a chart. As you can see, Power BI automatically calculates total sales. More basic functions. Let's look at some basic DAX function. Sum equals to total value. Count equals to number of rows. Average equals to average value. These are the most commonly used functions. Create profit measure. Now let's create a real example. Profit equals to sum in bracket sales in bracket revenue minus sum in bracket sales in bracket cost. This helps calculate business profits. Mark some formulas I'm giving you. You can also calculate percentage. Profit percentage equals to divide in bracket profit comma total sales. This is very useful in real dashboard. Why DAX is important? DAX is what makes Power. It allows you to perform advanced calculations and analysis. This is a key skill required for data analyst job. So in this video we learn what is DAX, measures versus calculated columns, basic formulas, creating real calculations. In the next video we will learn how to create advanced dashboards using DAX and visual together. This is where your skills become industry level. If you want to become a data analyst, follow this series step by step. Make sure to subscribe to TrendIgnite and turn on the